Welcome to Wizard.com. I am maths teacher Neeta and this is our question. There are how many minutes in 9 days we have to calculate. So we know that in 1 hour we have 60 minutes. Therefore, in a day we know that we have 24 hours. So 24 hours, or you can say it a 1 day. So 24 hours will have 24 multiplied by 60 minutes by using unitary method. So this is equal to 1440 minutes. So this is the minute in 24 hours, or you can say 1 day. So in 1 day, if we know there are 1440 minutes. So by using unitary method, we can find out the minutes in 9 days by simply multiplying this 1440 minutes by 9. So this product is equal to 12,960 minutes. So this is our answer, 12,960 minutes.